Best home manicure sets. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Mini Macaron. Some people love to detail their nails with some fresh and attractive nail paints. The company provides many exciting things inside the package, including an LED lamp, polisher, cuticle stick, and file. You can get this product by spending less. Red Carpet Manicure. Now get your manicure at an advanced and professional level by staying at home. This gel-based kit includes adhesion, top, cuticle kit, remover, and polish. Try this amazing thing to attain your confidence. Olive and June. Get your nails done at home with all perks and facilities. Try out this amazing product to get the ease and comfort of the salon. The package has polish, cuticle kit, remover, poppy handle, and brush to deal with dead skin and debris. Cuticle Lab. This set has all the good things to provide you the best manicure at home. You can deal with all the hand-related problems by massaging the cream and cuticle kit. Its oil remover cream is the game turner, and you will get polished and clean hands after using this product. Dip Well. When in the mood to change your nail paint and get some fantastic things to add comfort, it would help if you thought to buy the Dip Well for quick and comprehensive work. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.